up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking a little bit rough this morning. It's not even morning anymore. I think it's like 12:30, but we're starting the day pretty late because last night we got here around like 4 or 5 a.m. our time, and we landed in LA around 2 a.m. California time, and we didn't expect to be that late, but we had a few little situations that kind of got scrambled, like with the rental car and stuff, which we still need to get situated, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. It's beautiful here and we're here, so I'm super excited. I love LA and our Airbnb is super nice, so we're excited. I'm gonna show you guys the view of what I'm looking at right now. But we're staying in Silver Lake, which we never have really been in this area before, but we hear it's really nice and we like it so far. There's like a super steep hill to get like up to our place, and we're not used to it because we're from Florida, you know, we don't have like hills. It's all flat. I would love to live in a place like this. I think it's so cute. It's like an open floor plan. I'll show you like an Airbnb tour, but tomorrow is Beautycon and Blaine is here as well, so I think we're gonna go pick him up and hang out with him after we go to Whole Foods. We're gonna go to Whole Foods and get a few things for the place, but I'm gonna show you guys what our little view looks like, and then we're probably gonna head out the door. So this is our little view from our Airbnb. It's definitely a cute little view to like sit and drink your coffee in the morning right here. While my dad's still working, I'll do like an overview of our Airbnb, but this is the kitchen. It's kind of messy, but this is like a little living space. Bed right here, and then there's a little ladder that leads up to the bed. So I'll take you guys up there, show you. So this is the bed. I was telling my dad earlier when I was standing up here in the morning that if you guys have ever watched The Great Gatsby, he like stands over his mansion and like watches the party from above, which obviously it's like a little living space, but it's like my version of The Great Gatsby. I'm like standing up here looking down on the party. Dad's the party. Hi, Dad. All today, but I got into Beautycon and this one has a general admission. I told him I would come wait with him because, you know, I'm a great friend. Thank you. This line is like wrapped around the convention center and like under the bridge, but we're gonna get in. He called me and he was like, I'm turning around, I'm going home, I'm not gonna go. Blaine and I are at Beautycon and I haven't updated my vlog at all, but I'm gonna show you guys around, but they probably can't hear me. If you guys watched my Beautycon vlogs last year, you would know that me and Blaine both got the social lounge tickets, and they had like an actual lounge to where you could sit and like charge your phone and like eat. I had fun meeting people last year, but like since we met everybody last year, I didn't really buy it for like the social part. I kind of bought it so I could sit and charge my phone if I needed to, because I knew I was gonna wear heels again. And this year, which they didn't even specify on the freaking website, they made it to where it's just like the social spot and it's like a line that goes around and there's nowhere to sit. And that's literally the only reason I got it. But then we tried to wait in Desi's line and Blaine really came so he could meet Desi,
Katie, and Melissa Ashley, and 2 of the 3 are here today and I went 0.
We waited in Desi's line for like 15 minutes.
Basically that was the bus because they didn't have the wristbands. They had to like get pre-ordered wristbands.
No, I think like if you were like the first in line going up there.
You knew that.
I feel like I haven't vlogged at all today, so I'm probably gonna combine today's vlog with tomorrow's, but we haven't really done that much and we haven't met anybody. I feel like there's not as many influencers this year, but we're sitting in a panel right now. It's Mario, Tokyo, Haruj, Chris Appleton. I wish I could show more, but like we haven't done anything.
It's a lot like...
It's less organized. Yeah, it's a whole different vibe this year.
It's a lot different. It's not like, last year was like more fun and like almost like felt more welcoming.
Yeah, it did. at 3rd Street now, and we barely vlogged anything of Beautycon, so I'm probably gonna have to combine it with tomorrow. But I'm here with Blaine. He just bought a shirt from All Saints, and we were both trying to find, are you gonna wear that to Beautycon tomorrow? We were both trying to find shirts to wear to Beautycon tomorrow, because we both have jeans, but we didn't have shirts to wear. And I still don't know what I'm gonna wear. I wore heels today, and that was a big mistake. I'm not doing that again. And I said that last year, and I still did it again.
So we just finished eating.
Where at?
Umami burger. I got a triple burger and a half order of fries and water.
And like 6 waters.
Yeah, I was really thirsty. We've been walking a lot.
Both things?
Well, I mean, back in the day, like that's how it was. Like when I started out, like you had to know how to do makeup, you had to know how to do hair.
Hi guys, so it is Beautycon day 2. I'm here with Valen and Blaine, but we are waiting for Miss Kim Kardashian at the main stage, and it's wild. I don't know if they can hear me. It's kind of loud over here. I know, I'm like, hi! But it's gonna be crazy over here because she's just having a main stage panel, so everybody's like crowded around waiting for her to get like a close-up shot. A subscriber came up to me and Blaine. She was so sweet. We took a picture of her. I'll insert it right here. I'm gonna try and vlog a lot more today because I barely vlogged yesterday's. Hopefully today's a little bit more promising. Apparently they even changed like the all access pass, and they changed it at the last minute, just like the social one, which is kind of upsetting. But I'll update you guys on our next move.
Kim Kardashian West.
Seeing so many people, I always think, what if they don't show up?
Worse.
And there's something amazing in those nerves that
pushes you to your best.
Absolutely. Yes. So of course I was nervous.
You've been working with folks like Mario, Makeup by Mario, who I know everyone here loves.
Did my makeup
for Mario, who was here yesterday, or I think, yeah, he was here yesterday.
Yes.
Did you ever think 10 years ago that you would be working on a product collaboration together?
Absolutely not.
So we're walking around the food trucks currently, but I think it's like freaking $30 for a sandwich and fries. But we're walking around them, it's hot, it's in the outside part of Beautycon. We just saw Kim Kardashian, I'll insert those clips, but we couldn't get really close because everybody was like surrounding, it was like a huge mob for Kim. And like I tried to get a selfie with her from far away, but I couldn't do it. I got a video of me from afar, like with her, and then I zoomed it in the back, and that's gonna be my selfie with Kim Kardashian, so that's the best that I could do. French fries are $11.
Oh, that's not bad.
11. Oh wait, 6. All in fries are 11. The other one is 6.
$13 and you get fries.
The what? A chicken sandwich?
$13 and you get fries with it. All burgers include French fries.
I lied. It comes with fries, so we're good. We found the spot, and no one's in here, and there's AC. It's a great time. Aww.
All around me are
Yeah, literally. So we all got chicken tenders, and I think we found the hack, right? If you guys ever come to Beautycon, go outside of the convention like area where Beautycon is, like the actual room, and just come outside to like the main lobby area and get food out here because there's plenty of tables. You won't sit on the floor, and it's quiet. There's AC, and it's a lot cheaper. So hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm here with Nazani. I think so. Yeah.
Hi guys, what's up? I actually have watched a few of her videos. Her videos are so bomb.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
Makeup, poppin',
Thank
brows.
you. Thank you. She's popping. Look at her. Honestly.
Thank you so much
nice
for
meeting
coming.
you. Thank you so much. How's the view up there? Everybody follow Blaine Dillard. Blaine Dillard.
Beauty boundaries, baby.
Honestly, I think it's all about being authentically yourself. That's truly like what everyone is saying. As long as you who you are and you're proud of that, that's all. Like you can honestly just be authentic to yourself, and people will see that. And I feel like that's what shows so much. You know, all of us here are authentically ourselves, and that's why we've gotten to where we are. It's like who we put out is who we are.
All right, so we're at the Beauty Beyond panel, and Valen's gonna leave. So bye, you guys. See you again. I'll have her channel linked down below too, by the way. So we're at the Grove now, and Blaine and I are in Topshop. I found this shirt, which I think is really cute, but I'm gonna try it on and see if I end up liking it or not. We need to cut these off still. Our bands.
How do you change it?
Just click on a different.
Oh, that's so fancy.
Like
Red
that
looks
one.
good on you.
I don't like red.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty.
I think that one.
Oh my gosh, are we listening to One Direction right now, guys?
It is 7:45 p.m. and we're probably gonna go eat somewhere. I don't know what I'm craving. We had umami yesterday. If we didn't, we would totally eat the umami here. We went into the little YSL like pop-up here at the Grove, and you can like get your name engraved on it and pick like your custom cap. But they didn't have any like brown tone nudes. They were all like really, really pinky nudes, and I have like a pink one on right now, kind of, but I have celebrity skin under it, so it's the Fenty gloss that makes it look more pink. If they would have had a brown one, I probably would have gotten one. But Beautycon is over now. I don't know if we will be going again, but we'll see. It was fun, but I think last year was definitely a lot better and a lot more organized. This year was a lot different, and I'm happy that we went last year because I feel like we definitely got like the good year. Not that this year wasn't good, but like last year, like we thought was like amazing. Like we had so much fun.
Last year they're more invested in like the customer, like us basically, than like
Talent.
yeah, I feel like all the energy was like geared towards Kim.
Yeah,
if that
probably.
Because I think she was a big part of it.
Yeah, it was fun to see Kim and all, but like we were standing so far away that it was honestly like watching like Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Towards the end, we ended up getting to see one of Manny's panels, which we didn't expect, which was an exciting thing because we wanted to see, like I think like a few minutes before I was like, is Manny coming?
Oh yeah, because we didn't see him this morning.
All the meetups like outside, we didn't even try to get in them because you had to have a pass and you had to be there really early, so like we didn't do any of the brand booth meetups. we're at Mel's Diner now, Blaine's favorite place ever. I don't remember what I got last time. I think I just got chicken fingers, right?
You got chicken breast thing.
Oh yeah, I got like chicken, like literally a chicken breast. Maybe we'll like something better this time. So I ended up getting the grilled cheese, what is it? Grilled cheese?
Brisket burger. The brisket.
Ribs.
Cheese. Short rib. Brisket,
short rib.
Something.
Grilled cheese. What? Oh my god. Short rib. Grilled cheese. Grilled cheese rib. We don't know what it's called. But it looks really good.
Same thing.
I'm excited. The bread looks really good.
Look at all that cheese.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat. So we're back in our Airbnb now, and it is around 10:45 p.m. It's almost 2 a.m. our time. So I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and end this Beautycon vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again, and I hope to see you guys next time.